So hello guys, welcome back to this another brand new video. So in this video I will teach you how if your Tiki app is not working, then what you have to do. Okay guys, to how can you solve this problem? So uh, you have to go for settings, and after going in settings, what you have to do, um, you have to go for app management, and after going in app management you have to go for app list, and after app list, after coming loading list, you have to search for Tiki app. So guys, you have to click in this stop for stop. So after clicking, you have to come in the storage, and you have to clear cache, and you have to clear data. So after doing this, you have to come in the permissions, and you have to allow in everything: camera, contact, microphone, location, and phones, and storage also. So guys, after doing this, you have to check once, and if it is not possible, then you have to delete this app and you have to reinstall again once. Okay guys, so this how you have to do to solve your problems in Tiki app. So guys, thanks for watching this video.